Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a linked account from Trim. Do you need to unlink a bank account from Trim? Well, it's quick and straightforward. Let me show you how to do it. First, open the Trim app and log into your account. And then go to the Accounts or Linked Accounts section where all your connected accounts are listed. There, you're going to find the account that you want to remove. Tap on the three dots or settings icon that's next to the account and then select remove account or unlink account. Trim will ask you to confirm your choice. This is to prevent accidental removals. Confirm and the account will be unlinked immediately. Your data from that account will no longer synchronize with Trim. Keep in mind that removing an account won't delete your Trim profile. It just stops the data connection. This is helpful if you close a bank account, switch banks, or want to limit the account linked to Trim. And that's how you remove a linked account from Trim, simple and secure. In the coming video, I'm going to show you guys how to link PayPal or Venmo to Trim, so like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.